afternoon. Before we start, can you please all stand up for the prayer? Okay, thank you. Bago kayo maupo, pwede ba pulutin niyo muna ang mga nakakalat na basura sa ilalim ng upuan? Okay, thank you. Bago tayo magsimula, ay magpapakilala muna ako. Ako si Teacher Kai Obi Morano, but you can call me Teacher Kai. Meron bang lumiban sa inyong klase ngayon, may secretary? Okay, at dahil wala, ay napakahusay nyo ngayong hapon dahil kayo ay kompleto. Ngayon naman ay meron tayo classroom rules na kailangan nyong sundin. First is listen carefully. Second one is raise your hand before asking. Third is keep the classroom clean. Kaya nga nagpapulot ako kanina ng mga basura. Number 4 is respect your classmate. Huwag mag-iingay. Number 5, participate in activities. Naaalala niyo ba kung ano ang ating tinalakay noong nakaraan? Okay, at dahil naaalala niyo kung ano yung tinalakay natin noong nakaraan, tinalakay natin noong nakaraan. Okay, Miss Jackie, no? Okay, very good. Yung ating tinalakay na nakaraan ay about sa characteristics of helpful environment. Ngayon naman, ay meron ako dito ipapakita sa inyo 4 na pictures. So, ano yung nakikita nyo dito sa pictures? Ano yung naiisip nyo kapag nung nakita nyo yung picture na to? Okay. Ito ay mga lugar, magkakaibang lugar. At dahil meron tayo dito 4 na picture, meron ako sa inyong pasasagutan na mga jumble words. First is this one, the K-A-P-R. Who can arrange these jumble words? Okay, Miss Sarah? Okay, very good, Miss Sarah. It is a park. Then second one, who can answer? Okay, Miss Gina? Okay, very good. It is school. Then the third one is, okay, Mr. Victor? Very good. It is called river. Then the last one, who can answer? Okay, Miss Jessica. Very good. It is a beach. Now, let's proceed to our learning objectives. First is identify adverbs of place in simple sentences. Second one is use adverbs of place in sentences about caring for the environment. Then the third one is create some simple drawing and sentences using adverbs of place through printed or digital visuals. So dahil nabasa na natin ang ating objectives, ano sa palagay nyo yung ating topic ngayong hapon? Okay, Miss Andrea? Okay, very good. Yung topic natin ngayon na ating tatalakayin ay tungkol sa adverbs of place. Very good. Ang gagaling. Okay. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell where an action happens. Okay. Tinutukoy dito kung saan nangyari yung action. First, we have inside. Kagaya nito na nagaganap yung ating pagtuturo ngayon upang tatalakay sa ating aralin dito sa loob ng classroom. Then, second one is outside. Third one is under. Kagaya nito, under the table. Then, the fourth one is near. Kagaya nito, andito tapos andyan yung lamesa. Pwede na, tatawagin natin yan siyang near. Then, lastly is beside. So, magdadikit siya, beside. May nakuha ba sa ating tinalakay tungkol sa adverbs of place? Okay, very good. Nakuha niyo ang ating tinalakay. saan nangyari yung action, meron tayo dito following sentences, and kailangan nyo i-identify kung nasaan yung adverbs of place. Okay, so let us read and understand the following sentences and identify the adverbs of place. So our first sentence is, the boy throws trash inside the bin. So where is the adverbs of place, Miss Ayla? Okay, very good. Inside the bin. Second one is, the children play outside the school. Okay, Miss Juana, where the children play? Okay, very good. Outside the school. The third one is, the cat is under the tree. So where is the cat? Okay, under the tree, or yung adverbs of place niya is under. Lastly is, the girl cleans near the river. So where the girl cleans? Okay, near the river. So the adverbs of the last sentence is near. Nakuha ba mga bata? May natutunan ba kayo dun sa ating mga tinalakay na sentences at identify na adverbs of place? Okay, very good. Dahil inyong nakuha. Ngayon naman ay meron ulit ako ditong picture. Pero pipili lang tayo ng tatlong picture para gamitin natin. Una is ito. The beer is on the table. Then the second one is, the beer is under the table. Then the third one is, the beer is next to the plant. So where is the object in the picture? Can you please answer Miss Charity? Okay, very good. The three object of this picture is, first one is, the beer is on the table. Andito siya sa taas. Then the second one is, the beer is under the table. Andito sa ilalim. Then third one is, the beer is next to the plant. Ito yung plant, then ako kunyari yung beer, then dito ako sa next na beer. Nakuha ba mga bata? Okay, kung gano'n, dahil nakuha nyo, meron ulit ako ditong pangalawang katanungan. What adverb of place describes the picture? Okay, Miss Syra. Okay, very good. Dahil inyong nakuha. Ngayon naman ay meron akong ipapakita sa inyo na video at kailangan yung manood ng mabuti dahil may itatanong ako sa inyo pagkatapos ng ating video. Ang ating video na ito ay i-replay ko na. Okay. Dahil tapos nyo ng panoorin ang ating video, ay meron ako ditong dalawang katanungan. Unang katanungan is, what did you learn from the video? Ano yung mga na-learn nyo dun sa nakapanood sa video? Okay, Miss Tinay? Okay, very good. Yung nakapanood sa video ay tungkol sa environmental Okay, very good. At dahil tapos nyo na, meron akong itatanong sa inyo. So, dun sa ating tinalakay kanina, ano nga ulit yung ating tinalakay? Okay, meron ako ditong dalawang katanungan tungkol sa ating tinalakay kanina. Una ay, what is an adverb of place? So, what is an adverb of place, Mr. Dishmar? Okay, very good. An adverb of place is where the action happens. Then number 2, can you give an example? So, can you give an example, Miss Gina? Okay, the girl cleans near the river. Okay, very good. Ang dami nung natutunan sa ating tinatalakay ngayong hapon. Ngayon naman ay meron ulit ako ditong aktibidad na prepare para sa inyo. At ang tawag sa aktibidad na ito is underline the adverb of place in each sentence. Meron lang tayo ditong 3 sentences. Okay. Kukuliktahin ko yung mga papel ninyo after 5 minutes. Tapos na ba mga bata? Okay, very good. At dahil tapos nyo na, ay kukunin ko na ang inyong mga papel. Okay, very good. Meron ba kayong natutunan sa ating tinalakay ngayong hapon? Okay, very good. Ano nga ulit yung adverbs of place? Bakit pa ulit natin kailangan panatilihing malinis ang ating kapaligiran? Okay, very good. Napakahusay ninyo. Ngayon naman, bago natin tapusin ang ating aralin, ay meron ako ditong assignment na ibibigay sa inyo. At ang assignment na ito ay use the provided adverbs of place in a sentence. Write your answer in your assignment notebook. So bukas, kukunin ko siya pagkatapos